All right, welcome everybody. So I want to give you an overview of Chapter 6. What happens in Chapter 6, I start introducing complex numbers, which is what the last chapter is about. The chapter that we're actually working on right now is about solving equations that have trig inside of them. So trigonometric functions inside of the equations. But I want to introduce these ideas of the idea of complex numbers, which we'll talk about in a couple chapters, but you want to start getting comfortable with them now so you can really kind of grasp everything that's going on. So first thing we've got here is a video about where complex numbers came from, imaginary numbers, complex numbers. So often we teach complex numbers and imaginary numbers, and yet no one really understands what to do with them. They just kind of memorize the operations, but they can't really tell you why they know it or anything. So I'm trying to give you a bigger understanding of complex numbers by the time we get there. So you've got an interesting video here to watch. I think it's actually kind of an interesting one. Most people seem to like it. So you can watch that. And then we get into the actual video lesson for solving trigonometric equations. Now, trigonometric equations are one of those things where once you get it, it's not that difficult to do, but it can definitely be confusing in the beginning. So what you want to do is make sure you're paying attention to which type of trigonometric equation are you solving, because we approach them all slightly differently. So that's why you'll see you've got, if I bring up the XYZ homework here, you've got 4 sections. There's solving trigonometric equations. These are kind of the straightforward basic ones, then some more complicated ones. And then we've got ones where you start having multiple angles. And those can be a little tricky if you don't understand what's going on at first. So make sure you watch the videos. Remember, if you click right here, you get a short little video, right? So that'll help you out. And then when you get into the problem itself, remember that you've got a link to the ebook and also a video right here in many of these problems. So if you're getting stuck and you're not sure what to do, make sure you watch the video that's associated to that problem, and it'll help you out. Okay, it'll help you figure out what it is that you're supposed to be doing. So you're just going to go through that, work through those. Parametric equations are a little weird, but we don't do anything too complicated with them. It's just another way of setting up certain types of problems. So you'll do that. Then what we'll do is, then we've got a couple of videos here from Neil deGrasse Tyson. So the idea is, if you're taking this class, you are probably about to take calculus. So we have 2 interesting videos here. How to Make It Through Calculus by Neil deGrasse Tyson kind of helps you understand the mindset, because a lot of calculus is about mindset. It's about being really good with your algebra. You're going to need strong algebra skills in calculus, and the proper mindset and what to expect when you're getting there, right? And then we have another short video with some advice from Neil deGrasse Tyson, just to kind of help you think about school and how you should think about, or not how you necessarily should think, but some helpful ways to think about things to think about along your education through STEM. Okay, so you'll discuss those. It's a discussion there. Then just a reminder to make sure you do all the XYZ homework, okay? Okay, so not too many different things in Canvas this time. So again, if you have any questions, please contact me and we'll set up some kind of a Zoom meeting. Okay, thanks everybody.